Guys, I saw that 300. Let me take this camera down. I saw that 300 S or XZ in the shop. Did I leave my key, my light on? No, that's all. Yeah, I see a PT in my star. But anyway, let me go to the rear, guys. I saw that that Nissan back in the shop. I'm gonna see what they doing over here. That 300Z, I think that was. My buddy just told me what that those acronyms stands for on top of the hood. And just that quick, I forgot what he said. All right, we're gonna go back here and see what they doing. I saw it back in the air. Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, brake job. So they got brakes approved. You know what that mean, guys? Anytime they approve work or anytime they working on them, that means they have intentions of selling it. Okay. The other option is it would have went to the auction. Okay, but they obviously see a potential here at a potential sale, even on the used car end. So he didn't find that much wrong with it. If he just found a lot wrong with it, they probably would have said it's not worth it and let it go to the auction. But they still would have taken it in as a trade-in, but they would have. Hey, typical strange way to bleed these. Nissan. Go figure. Always got to be different. A little glazed, a little lip right here on the end, guys. But yeah, I wanted to get over here and see what he was doing. I don't see. That's all I see is brake pads. So I assume that's all he doing is a brake job. Now, long time ago, guys, back when I was, getting into the automotive industry, they used to tell us, I like this. This is a young guy. Guys, please never let this caliper just hang. I love the way he got this set up. Props to the young guy. All right. They used to tell us to true or turn the rotors on the car. Okay, because you essentially, at that point you have the rotor married to the hub. So if the hub is warped, the rotor would be warped. So depends on how you look at it, guys. Back in the day, we used to do all imports on car. We have an on-car brake machine. Of course, the wheel is turning. Again, the rotor is married to the, or compressed up against the hub. So as it's turning, you're turning the rotor, but you're in essence turning it to whatever the hub surface is. So like I said earlier, if the hub is warped, your rotors will be warped. So you're basically at the mercy of your hub assembly. Hopefully it's intact or it was on point also, but nothing spectacular. I see Allen here. What did he have to take off with that? See some strange tools over here, guys. Brake jobs are, you would think they're pretty basics, but in some cases they can be a little weird. Look at the wheels on that. All right, guys. Well, that's what he had it in for. That's all I wanted to see. Okay. That's all I wanted to see. What they had, why they had the Nissan back in here. So we covered this. Matter of fact, look at this video. I covered this earlier on the top and all that. We got to look at all that. So there's nothing like the red one. The wheels are. What is this on the windshield? And what does it do? Anybody? It's a head-on, that's for sure. Look at this thing. Y'all see that? Sweet. Okay, got the nice little pretty red calipers. Guys, this is a Chrysler 200. I had a guy drill me about brakes. Okay, guys, you gotta understand. This is this has EPB, electronic parking brake. Okay, it's electric. So when you come to a stop, put the car in park. In some cases, the electronic park brake will activate automatically. All right, his one would not come out of brake. He got ready to do something, take his wheel off and do some brakes or something. I'm gonna have to make a video on that, guys, because these instructions are in your radio entertainment system, okay, and it's in your owner's manual. So you got to know this stuff, man. You But the question came up, what do you do if this is locked and nothing is working? Like, how do you, I've once had to remove the actuator. This is the actuator right here. I just replaced one of these guys. Watch this video right here. I once had to remove this actuator and back that caliper out. The caliper just turns, just rotating turns. I once had to take the, of course you're stranded, right? So the car won't move. You're trying to avoid a tow. In some cases you have no choice, guys. But if this is ever jammed, one or two things. It's strictly emergency. Take a hammer and bust that joke off of there. But you gotta bag this caliper back, or you just gonna, your wheel gonna be locked, because the caliper is pushed all the way out and the brakes are locked. This was a nice, neat feature, but what happens when things go wrong? Okay, and yes, guys, and things can and do go wrong when you least expect it. Okay, it's tow truck city if this lock up on you and you have no way to get it out, guys. I've replaced the EPB module. That EPB module, guys, is in the trunk on the right side behind these panels. Okay, but other than that, I think I ended up replacing the actuator because I had a fault code, right rear EPB actuator. It had failed. It was internally shorted. The module monitors these actuators, so I ended up replacing them. But yeah, brake jobs on these fairly easy, guys. You just gotta, know how to get that piston back in. All right, so just use your computer or use your scan tool, or use the self settings on the entertainment system to bag this emergency brake app. All right, guys, I've spent enough time at the used car department. Wow, that is kind of nice, dog. I'm gonna take a picture of this because I want this as my thumbnail. This is sweet. Camaro. Nothing really fancy to run home about, but it's sweet. What y'all think? Look at it. All right, that's gonna be my thumbnail picture. All right, guys, I gotta go. Thanks for tuning in, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all be watching these videos. I really appreciate it, guys.